Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the boots and speed laces ready. Start by removing old laces and inspecting eyelets for damage. Thread one lace end through the lowest pair of eyelets, then follow the manufacturer's pattern, across and up, alternating sides. Keep tension even as you move to prevent twisted cord. Once you reach the mid-boot, pause and slide on the toggle to test range of motion. This tells you if you need more length. Make sure both sides match before continuing up. You're now at the mid to upper lacing section. Continue threading while checking fit as you go. Pull each cord to a comfortable but firm tension, then engage the toggle, compress and slide it to lock. If the boot feels tight on the instep, release slightly and relock. If loose at the ankle, add a half turn of pull and secure again. Once done, try a few steps and a squat to confirm there's no heel lift or binding. Adjust the toggle position to fine-tune comfort. You're finishing up. Cut any excess cord if necessary, leaving 1-2 inches to tuck safely. Secure the end in a keeper loop under the tongue or in a gaiter pocket so it won't catch on brush. Test the boots on a short walk. Make micro adjustments by sliding the toggle or rethreading a single row if pressure points appear. If the toggle fails or slips, swap it for a spare or tie a small stop or knot. This simple fix keeps you moving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.